Uh, Hello guys, my name is Shafin Mustafis. Today I'm gonna show you how to license the IDM registration for free. We all know that IDM is such a wonderful app. We can use it to download our several related tasks. So and it has a time period of 30 days as a free trial period. So when you search on the YouTube, basically how we search for some solutions, so they will give you some several videos which will allows you to reset, then use the trial for another 30 days, and it is gonna continue for every month. But I'm gonna show you something that which can help you to freeze the trial version for the lifetime. Like when you search on the Google, you will see the several options. Over here you just need to click on the GitHub, like you can see on the screen, that which I'm trying to say, IDM activation script. So when you click it, this interface will be appear. So after that, you just need to go down, use the method one, the PowerShell option. Don't go for the traditional. You can also use the traditional, but I've just used the PowerShell option and it's working for me. So what you need to do, just go to your window tab, click on the PowerShell app, then you need to just copy this thing, copy, Control plus V, paste. Then you need to just hit the enter, and the interface will come like this one. Then you need to select the freeze option number 2. So when you select the freeze option, it will automatically freeze the trial period for the lifetime, and you can continue it for several months. I don't know how much because I've just have freeze that thing. So let's see how it works. So I think that this video was required for everyone because nobody was getting a right video on the YouTube to freeze the certain thing. Now let's see if it's work or not, and I will tell you in the upcoming videos that is it working for real or not. Okay, thank you for now. I guess the video is becoming too long. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.